I think the difficulty a lot of people have is they don't want to, especially when you start to create some success, they don't want to admit that they still need to learn and still need to listen to audios or read books from other successful people. Working as a team, in a way that, hey look, we're all researching, we're all got life experience in, we're all building businesses, we're all coming across challenges, issues, things to overturn, things to overcome, staying in the right mindset, using each other as like a friendly alliance to move forward. So that's people's biggest thing. I see it all the time. I mean, even people who come to our training, you know, and they don't post that, you know, their successes from some nice things that happen in our training or from our coaching or just being a part of our tribe. They want to say that it's them themselves. The reason I know this is because that's what I used to do, but I'd easily happily reference anybody or everybody now. What do you think? I think like that's the way to do it. Yeah, like when you're learning stuff like Napoleon Hill, Grant Cardone, Kevin Tudor, Alex Mandossian, Matt Cattram, T.R. Becker, Blair Singer, all these people, totally amazing. Tony Robbins. What's the other guy's name? Joseph McClellan. Joseph McClellan. He's clever.
Joseph McClellan III.
Yeah. So all of these people are super amazing. And I think if more people seen it as that we're actually working as a team rather than we're against each other, or was it me who come up with this idea or something like that, and just like we're one unit. Look, I mean, look, Leicester. I don't know when you were viewing this, but Leicester a couple of years ago just won the Premier League. Now a team totally out of nowhere just won the Premier League. And when I say totally out of nowhere, I mean like previous, you know, history. Yeah, almost being relegated and all the rest of it. But I'll tell you what happened is they worked together as a team. They seen that they can have total harmony between them. And that's what guided them to victory week after week after week, which in turn got them the thing. And I'm not just talking about the players, yeah, harmony. I'm talking about all of the staff. I'm talking about the coaching staff, the fitness people, the people who keep the health of the team, the masseurs, you know, all of them. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do you get what I mean though?
Yeah, I do.
All of this stuff.
Like the whole team is important.
Yeah.
I was the exact same when I was competing seriously in dancing, like world level. I was going into national competitions. I had like a team. It was much smaller though. I had like my coaches, I had obviously my partner, me and her, then I had my mum, I had her mum, and then we also had like personal trainers and physios as well. That's when we were going seriously, and because we had a good team, we were doing well.
So were you all in perfect harmony?
Nope. It wasn't perfect harmony, but it was good.
Yeah, because that's the thing, you've got to be in harmony. You know, the secret ingredient is perfect harmony. That's how you create a mastermind, and a mastermind is just two or more minds. Just more than one mind. You know, so the minds come together, and if perfect harmony is there, you can create a mastermind. Share experiences, share intelligence. That's what I love about these people who want to write books, create audios, do programs, because they're literally sharing their experiences that may have took them years. You know what I mean? Look at Napoleon Hill. 25 years of research was employed, you know, on this task of doing so by Andrew Carnegie, which was one of the most powerful men, if not the richest man at the time, I believe, in the world. Yeah, 25-year project, gathers all this stuff, puts it into a book called The Law of Success in 16 Lessons. 25 years of work. Just study that book. I mean, if you just study that book for 25 months, it's going to blow your life up. And I don't mean just read the book, because lots of people say, oh yeah, I read the book. And I did it. I'll be perfectly honest. I used to measure myself and say, how many books have I read? You know, I'll be like, yeah, I read 50 books this year. Which was good, because I was absorbing a lot of information, but now I'm like studying the books. I'm masterminding. I'm sharing the information. I'm brainstorming. I'm like conversing with other people. I turn these principles that I'm learning from other places into very simple, actionable steps for other people to learn. So then other people are benefiting. Plus, you know, I'm learning it better because by teaching it, you do get to be able to do that. The thing of people worry about passing on information because they say like, oh, you know, sayings like, oh, if you can't do, then teach. I mean, that is one of the biggest load of bullcrap I ever come across. Yeah, maybe that's because they've just been taught by people who, you know, was in an environment, if it's anything to do with the education system, which just don't allow people to flourish, don't allow people to think for themselves. What do you think? Yeah, I thought that too. So that's what we're talking about, peeps. I love, you know, sharing stuff, so go subscribe to Real Life Group on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram, Real Life Group, LinkedIn, Mark Harvey. I got personal profile, I got Real Life Group. It's all there, baby. It's all there. I want to share as much as possible, so you do the same too. Coach one who can coach another, and slowly but surely, maybe fastly, we change the world and we wake people up, because I don't think you have to go too far to look out of your window and walk down the street and see there's people walking around asleep in zombie mode. Zombie mode, people. Don't be in zombie mode. Don't be in the zombie zone. Zombie zone. Don't be in the zombie zone. That's a new thing. I'm going to make that a thing.
You're trying to pull me back.
I'm going to make that a thing. Zombie zone. Don't be in the zombie zone. Be in the gold zone, peeps. If you want to figure that out, get to Real Life Property Wealth, because that's where we're going right now, baby.